snorkeling in Belize. Loved making that call home to my parents. We took a short boat ride to what is the second largest reef in the world. It was great, like the coral was beautiful, saw some really pretty fish. There were stingrays out there. The water, it was beautiful, like bath water. Sailing away was beautiful. I've never been to Belize before. It's always someplace I've wanted to go but never had a chance. And as we sailed away, we were still passing little islands, just like dotting the ocean. Just very, very different even from where we were yesterday in Roatan. Usually when I go on vacation, I go someplace and I stay there for a week, but here, every morning we wake up and by 8 a.m. we're in some other amazing place. So it's very different to be able to go away for 7 days and visit 3 different countries and all have a little bit something different to offer.